Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about Ignite India Advanced Kit. So here the things, if we'll see during the lockdown and the post the lockdown, you guys have ordered the many kits from Ignite India which is not delivered and maybe it got cancelled. Maybe we were not able to, it's not able to reach at your place. So now in during this lockdown 4.0, you can reorder the your kit now. It's available on Amazon, and today we'll discuss about Ignite India Advanced Kit, which is available on Amazon. I'm Krishnanand Singh, and today I'm going to unbox Advanced Kit. So I'm going to unbox this Advanced Kit right now. So you will get idea how this packaging is. This is crafted by Niftian, and the idea of this packaging in the layers we have given the all material. Well, so if you will see while opening this box, the first thing I found, normally you will see in the packaging, we use bubble wrap packet. So that's your, it sounds very nice. So on top of this you have a voucher which you can redeem through Ignite India. You can attend the 1 week free class worth of 10,000 by the expert, though they have more than 5 to 10 year of industry experience and experience of teaching in studio test and situation test. Wow, now we have some colorful materials here which it's given here in the first layer to initial practice, where you can start doing a practice. So if you will see the situation test, normally we see in exam they give 15 to 20 materials, and here I really love such kind of colorful materials when I get. So if you will see here, packaging wrap and the color seed, chartboard, and the ivory seeds, OHB seeds, fluorescent seeds. Then here so there are many kind of the paper are here, and the materials, foams and all is here to practice, so that you're used to of the materials which will going to come in your test paper, and another layer which I will show you. So here are some of the material. So what is the idea why it's crafted by the Niftian, the reason behind of it, so they know what exactly was in their exam, so those kind of material we can provide you. Yeah, so this is the another layer where we have a different decorative material for our situation test, for our practice. So thermocol balls, then thumb pin, then we have a paper cup, then we have a tissue papers. Along with that, there are many material which is very close to me, ice cream stick, the one of the things where you can design so many things out of this. Another packet I have in my hand. So this packet having there are decorative materials, then rubber band is here, thread is here, importance all tools are also here, I can see in this box. Normally what we need in situation test is the exam, always you guys keep asking the questions. So we need Fevicol, that's here. We need pair of scissors, that is over here. We need ruler, we need paper cutter. So very essential things. This is the one's most important thing we need, and that's here in this box. So it's not gonna end here. I'll take you through some more material. We have here colorful ribbons, are we have sellotape, and then there are the colorful tape also is here. Apart from that, we have a woolen thread, we have a jute rope. So and we have sutli, we have scrubber. So there are many material to practice. So it's really great, and this is the one of my favorite. There is a clay packet, and under this there is a colorful clay which you can use it. You can make so many material. Must watch some of the Ignite video where we have given the clay exercises, and even you have a classroom exercise. The only the Ignite channel you will get the direct classroom exercise video by our mentors, which gonna help you to practice in home by own, or in fact you can contact us. Then some of the most important, these are the sticks. So this will help you to stick your sometime your product and stand properly, as well as this will help you to to make some decorative ladder and some other item if you want. Then this is, you are very used to it, especially this one, because this is a toothpick normally which we use. So entire packet box is given here. Then here spiral band, so is the one of the interesting things. Normally we have in our cane rope, so where we play. So I hope, I think I've counted more than 20-30 material. I'm not able to count how many it is. So it's really interesting. So this was the the layer. So now we'll move for the next. You know what, this is very important, the way important. What we realize, once we have given you some material to practice, then we have given you some tools and material to explore. So this layer is practice set, where we'll give you the set of the, you know, different kind of the paper in 4 packets. So if you will see here, so there are so many colorful, you know, packets are here which having a different materials and all this. So how this gonna work for you? So this each practice, like suppose this one we can make out of this card, this one we can make some eco park or something. So initially you should practice with the paper more and more, using the techniques like, you know, fringing, scribbling, and some like, you know, texture and pattern. So you need such kind of paper, you need some such kind of the decorative paper. But this is the exam, competitive exam, so we needed the material which is limited. So that's what we given the practice, so that you can have a hand-on same experience here. So this layer and this level of the practice is very important before your mock paper where I'm going next. So make sure that you practice this one very nicely. So I'm moving towards the next level now, and which is called mock paper. So where you have exactly the question paper in the terms of, you know, exam paper, then the write-up space, and the materials are here, which is more important, and exactly decorative material which I'll show you earlier also, and then the material which papers which was in practice set together, it is here. You should do it in 2 hours time. I'm sure if you do this, you can share with us. We'll give you the mark by the NIFT alumni, NIFT expert, and ex faculties. Though gonna help you, and you will exactly know where you are, you know, after your preparation. So this is the most important thing, sir. So here you will have 6 different test papers with the all different material. If you will see here, some of the ice cream sticks and the different material in same layout like this, you know, and the materials and also like this, we will have the different coastal papers and all, which is we're gonna practice. So this important like, you know, things are there as a material. But one more important things, because you're doing a practice in home, maybe you're sitting on your study table, and how to practice. So this advanced kit, we have take care of that part also. We are giving you a cutting mat. Many of you all know about it, many of you haven't practiced because you are not related to art. So this cutting mat is the solution of many things in a one go, you know, because exact margin measurement you have to take for your product, you have to take margin of your papers in a in a what size. So here all these maps are here, so you can cut on this, so you can keep it on your study table, in your dining room and somewhere, and you can practice. So this is very important, you know. And apart from this, I can see again the one hard bubble wrap sheet, which is you can use it somewhere. In fact, you can use the Ignite carton also, I will say. So this card sheet you must use in your some product and exploration. So idea of giving you the entire different layer. If you will see, we divided into the 5 different layer. In short, I'll tell you. First you have that your coupon, and then apart from that we have given some set of the practice material. Then the next level we have some set of decorative material along with your tools, whatever tools required. That means in this lockdown, or maybe oppose this lockdown also, you do not need to go and find out the tools from anywhere. Then we'll move for the practice set. Question papers are here at the same time of last 15 years, which is given, which you can practice along with these materials. And end of the day, we have all set of the question which you're gonna come similar kind with the similar kind of material which will come in the exam. So all the best, guys. So you know today what was the advanced kit, why this advanced kit, because oh my god, I was keep getting so many questions. Okay, how the advanced kit is different than, like, you know, your premium kit, or like, you know, the kit which is like, you know, smart kit. So I hope you guys got it, how it is different and how useful it is. A step by step learning and practice set is here. Thank you so much, everyone.